What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today kind people over at Thinborne was kind enough to send me out a case for my Z Fold6. So this is the Thinborne's case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6. So we're just going to unbox it, and I'm going to give you my thoughts about how I feel about it being on the device. So this is what you are greeted with. Thinborne. It's thin, the name. It's in the name. So we're just going to unbox it like so. Take everything out. You are greeted with the back housing of the case. And with this case, it does have those stickers so it can stick better to your device. And this does also allow for MagSafe wireless charging. Put that over there. Then you also get a screen protector, and I love that when the company involves a screen protector, so you do not have to worry about going out buying one. If you get in a case, you already have one coming when you buy the case, so that's another nice touch. But this was sent out to me, so I'm going to make that known. You get more adhesive stickers, so if that one gets unsticky, you'll have more. That is a good, nice touch. And then you also get the front rim, which also has that adhesive sticker on the side. This is kind of thin, flimsy. I don't know about this. This might break on me. We'll see. But this is a sticker here and a sticker there and a sticker there. So we're going to install this on the device. First, I want to put all my things back in here because we will not be using that right now because I currently already have a screen protector on my Z Fold6 ready to go. So we're just going to pick up the Z Fold6, wipe it off if you need to, wipe it down, and then you're going to just place your in. Hopefully it does not break on me. Hopefully it doesn't break on me, but that does look nice. It's thin. It's not going to add too much bulk or weight to your device, and I do like that. So now we're going to pick up the back housing, and I'm going to peel off all of the adhesive on the back here. So just bear with me. This is just so your case will stay on your device a little bit tighter. So we're going to just place it in like so. And just like that, this is how this looks. With this being a thin design, it does not add too much bulk or too much weight to your device. I actually like the look and the feel of this. Of course, your hinge is going to be out to the open, so be careful, or you can go buy you a screen protector hinge so you can keep this clean and nice with no nicks. But other than that, this does look pretty good on the device. And when you open it up, like I said, you're not going to get that much protection because this is not for having the most protection. This is just for someone that wants a thin, nice, still nice looking case on their device. But you do get access to a little lip for your camera protection. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you have no problems there. So now we're going to go over to their website so you can see how much this case will run you if you're in the market looking for a thin case for your smartphone. So let's go pull up their website real quick. Let's see how much you will be able to get this case for your Z Fold6. It might be a little pricey because this is a two-part case. So yes, this case will currently run you, let's see if we can get it to look, zoom. This case will run you $89.98. That's kind of pricey, but I'd rather pay that for a nice looking and feeling case They make cases for all kind of devices, and they look really, really good. So I will make sure I drop a link in the description if you're out there and you want to pick this case up for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.